Alright, because the battery's dead, threw the charger back on it. Like I said, I've replaced all the spark plugs, replaced this coil pack. This was previously replaced. Uncle's replaced the tires. I'll rode them next oil change. They seem pretty good still. But other than that, it gets 200 and what is it? 226,000 miles. Got to work on some of the AC components. Gotta watch another video to remove this piece. Its mechanism failed and doesn't work anymore, so in the winter time had to tape that shut or zip tie it closed so that way we could get heat. Now it's summertime. We need to charge the AC, and yeah, thing still gets 20 plus miles per gallon on it, so we'll see if we can't make a daily commuter out of it for a while. At least we got one project complete enough to move it around the shop or the yard. Welcome back to Weekend Built, where we get projects done in a weekend or several weekends. So today, on this weekend, we got a 1996 Buick Park Avenue 3800 non-turbocharged. Brought back from the farm. We're gonna do a quick little service on it, change the oil, look at a couple other components. It's leaking real bad, see why it's doing that, and see if we can't make this another daily commuter. So, as you see, it's leaking oil. I'm guessing it's from a sensor, oil stator or something right up in here. Change the oil, clean this up a bit. And so far I've already changed spark plugs, coil pack, because it was missing. But we'll see if this bulletproof 3800 still has some life in it. So I guess first we ought to do the oil change. Alright, one trip to O'Reilly's and Sonic, and we're back. So I don't have any wrenches big enough to fit, so that is what I gotta replace. This part here. So quick O'Reilly replacement. Alright, I'll take that off and then get back to y'all. Alright, got that in. That piece right there. Connected back up to the wire. Plugged in, so we'll see if it leaks again. New filter, alright, had a cell going on. Buy 5 quarts, get a filter. So let's put 4.5 in this Buick and see what happens. Alright, had to go get a charger. We're gonna do a quick jump on it, see what happens. Battery's still a tad bit dead, but we'll try again in a bit. Alright, looks like we gotta find something else to do for a bit while this thing. Burn off some excess oil. Alright, so obviously we have some residual oil in the exhaust from when that part was leaking. I don't see any more leaks. Of course, all this stuff's not to burn off, so we'll smoke for a while. I would say that's a fix. So on this Buick, in order to put up on the lift, I had to take this off and move the line over. Let's figure that one out. But it was like this. I had to move the line over in order to get this as a good point for the lift to lift off. So I'll put that back on and it'll be ready to go for a while.